Sea Limited operates an e-commerce, financial services, and gaming business in Southeast Asia, while Mercadolibre operates e-commerce and financial services segment mostly in Latin America. Investors are asking me which one of these two companies I think makes the better buy for long-term investment. I'll compare these two on critically important financial metrics, including revenue growth, operating profit margins, and return on invested capital. I'll share with you my valuation calculation, which calculates a fair value for Sea Limited and Mercadolibre stock. I'll also look at valuation on a forward price to cash flow basis so we get another perspective. And then I'll determine which one I think makes the better buy at current market prices. All right, so the first metric I wanted to compare these two companies across is revenue. And they've both done an excellent job expanding revenue. Mercadolibre has grown from 300 million in revenue in 2016 all the way up to 24.1 billion. That's good for a compounded annual growth rate of 48.3%. Incredible growth to be sure. But Sea Limited has outdone Mercadolibre, expanding its revenue from around 100 million in 2016 to 19.4 billion in 2025, or the most recent trailing 12-month period, and that's good for a compounded annual growth rate of 61%. They've got lots of room to grow as more consumers spend more money online and underbanked individuals join the banking system, engage in more financial services, and digital banking and digital finance grows. The next metric I wanted to compare these two across is operating cash flow to sales. This measures how much revenue these companies turn into cash flow. And Mercadolibre has done a good job in this metric at 35.2%. It's been volatile, but it's back where it was in 2014 at 35.4%. Meanwhile, Sea Limited has also had volatility in this metric, but it's moved higher than where it was in 2014 when it was at 1.5%, and it's now at 23.5%. So Mercadolibre has the better number in this comparison, but Sea Limited has the better trend recently. The next metric I wanted to compare these two on is arguably the most important, and that's the return on invested capital. This measures how good a management team is at taking investor money and turning it into products and services that generate profits and cash flow. Mercadolibre boasts an ROIC of 13.3%, and that's up from 3.7% in 2017. Sea Limited, meanwhile, has the lower number at 7.3%, but has demonstrated much better growth, up from negative 91.7% in 2018.
Click the link below to watch the full video.